Do you need to create a trust? It depends on your goal. If you want to avoid probate, creating a revocable living trust is a popular option. However, if you have two or more properties or properties located in more than one state, you should place those properties in a trust. Otherwise, your estate will have to go through an expensive probate. If you own properties in different states, there will be multiple probates. This is so because court jurisdiction lies where the property is situated. However, depending on your circumstances, a different trust may be more appropriate. For asset protection, an irrevocable trust is better because you completely divest control of the assets and you do not own the assets. Therefore, a creditor cannot take something that is not yours. If you have a child or loved one with special needs, a special needs trust is appropriate. If you're on disability or Medicaid, you need a different trust. Creating a trust is not a do-it-yourself project because if you create the wrong trust, you can end up losing your benefits. If you have a lot of assets and multiple properties, then creating a trust is recommended to avoid probate and save money on taxes. However, if your only asset is your home, you can avoid probate without creating a trust. In Florida, you can do an enhanced life estate deed, commonly known as a ladybird deed, to transfer your home to your children upon your death without court intervention. For more information, please see my video on the advantages of a Florida enhanced life estate deed below. In addition, if you name beneficiaries for all bank accounts, investments, and insurance policies, you can avoid probate without creating a trust. This is Dina putting the E's in legalese. If you found this helpful, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. For more information on how my firm can help, visit my website below. Thanks and have a great day.